I'm back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, today is Wednesday morning and we make a nice lovely green juice because we recognize that Wednesday morning is a morning where you can start the week really good, finish it off with another nice juice. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my cooking show, and this is how we're gonna start the day. Today gonna be a very hot day for the year, and hopefully guys will make yourself a nice lovely green juice and bring it to work. You don't need to strain it, you can drink the 5 hours. Sometimes I strain mine because I'm gonna drink it. So thank you so much and cheers with you guys. See you next time. Remember, follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook on the Google Plus page, and also we on Twitter. See you next time. Bye bye. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, this morning is Wednesday morning, bright and early. We're gonna make a Wednesday morning green juice, healthy recipe, which if you have in your breakfast, you can have it also. You don't need to strain it, but I'm gonna strain my one, get some of the fiber, and just drink the juice this morning. First thing I must say to you guys that, you know what I mean, I love my smoothie and I love my juice, and these things is really healthy. What we're gonna do this morning, we're gonna use some curly leaf or kale. This is some curly leaf right here. You know, curly leaf, you can get it into local shop or supermarket to buy. It looks totally different, but it got a lot of benefit in it. So basically we're gonna put 1 handful straight in the smoothie blender like this, and I'm using a lot, so I'll go out a few, say 1 handful. Second thing, 1 handful of spinach also. As you can see, all of these is inside. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna put few of the sweet jam lettuce. You can use lettuce if you like. That's the sweet jam lettuce. Straight inside. We're gonna put a few slices of cucumber in it, just like that. And a piece of a ginger in it. Apple. As you can see, just get it straight in it. Put a few ice just for it for cold. Squeeze some lemon juice in it. So this you can have in the morning when you wake up. You can make this and bring it to work with you. A few pieces of ice. Then we're gonna put some honey. Roughly a teaspoon of honey. Little bit of water. When you have a good ninja blender like this, you don't need to worry yourself, just work. So we're gonna blend that for about roughly 4 to 5 minutes. 4 to 5 minutes and strain it. Nice. Just finished. Basically, you can drink it as just like this, but sometimes I don't drink too much of the fiber. Sometimes I strain it to get rid of some of the fiber like this. Right, and just drink the juice. Sometimes I just need the juice, but you don't have to do that. Sometimes you can just drink it just as it. Sometimes I just need the juice for myself. Or if you have a bigger glass, you can strain it into. Nice. So this is the way when I strain it, it look. I just strain it, and I'm gonna pour some in this glass. Put a 2 pieces of ice. Nice and beautiful. Look at that. Really fantastic, guys. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. As I said, Wednesday morning healthy drink. Just really nice and beautiful. But let's start the day like this, because today gonna be one of the hottest day in the whole year. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to my channel. And this is Chef Ricardo on the team. And see you next time. Bye bye.